I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can use Afterpay on Best Buy. So in the past, you could directly buy stuff using Afterpay from Best Buy, but now you cannot do that. You can only buy the gift card of Best Buy in Afterpay and use that as a form of payment on Best Buy. How this works is you want to come to afterpay.com, the official website of Afterpay. From over here where it says search, but make sure to log in into your account first, alright? After you log in into your account where it says search, you want to search for Best Buy. Once you search for Best Buy, it is going to show you the gift card of Best Buy. You want to click on the gift card of Best Buy. Once you click on it, you can choose the amount you want on that gift card. After you choose the amount you want on the gift card, you want to click on buy for yourself. Once you click on buy for yourself, it is going to ask you to fill up your detail. Once you fill up your detail and click on confirm, it is going to take you to the place where it's going to ask you to pay for this. Once you pay for this, you can use this Best Buy gift card on Best Buy's official website. You can redeem it by going there and use it. That is basically how you guys can buy stuff on Best Buy using Afterpay. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.